Hello, so today I'm gonna teach you how to set up Ubiquiti Nanostation M2. So for this you need to connect your PoE with the Ubiquiti Nanostation M2 and the LAN cable with your laptop or desktop. So first you need to go to the Ethernet setting, choose Network and Settings Center. So select on the Ethernet, you can see properties, and then go into Internet Protocol version 4. Sorry. Yep. So now, as you can see, it's obtaining IP automatically. You should put a IP address that's matching, or the numbers are matching with the IP of Ubiquiti Nanostation. So the default IP of the Ubiquiti is 192.168.1.20. So we want IP of 192.168.1. You can keep any of those. Just be sure that you do not keep 1 and 20, because in some Ubiquiti the default IP is 1. It's 45% has 192.168.1.1. Other 55% of Ubiquiti nanostation have its IP 192.168.1.20, so you can keep other than that. So in my case, I'm gonna keep 100. So subnet mask, you need to keep any of those. I mean 255.255.255.255.0. You can have a default gateway, or you can leave it as it is. Now I am having the DNS server of the Google, so we can leave it as it is. Now let's go with the Firefox. So 192.168.1.20. So now you can see there's a warning. So you can use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Any of those will show this message. So you need to click on Advanced and accept the risk and continue. Right. So now we get to the official page of Ubiquiti Nanostation M2. The default username is ubnt and the password is ubnt as well. Now you can select the country and then have this checkbox clicked so that you can log in. The first thing you need to do is click on the system. Yeah, you can change the device name and you can change the username of administrator and password as well. I recommend you to change the password, so I'm keeping my password. You can keep your own password as you want, and then you can just change it. Now, so we can go to the network. So it's static. You can change it if you know the IP address, or if you know almost all the network IPs in your home connection or office connection. You can change it or keep the IP address static. But if you do not know, you can just keep it in DHCP so that it can take the IP address of your ISP, Internet Service Provider. Now, so you can change the IP address for your Ubiquiti, but now I'm not gonna change it, so I just want to show you. Right, so we just change it. So by default it's a station. Now you need to make it access point. So I'll be having a different video on AP repeater and the station. Now we are making a access point. So you can keep your SSID. So I'm gonna keep my SSID as BGHA. So I have different network SSIDs. So for this I'm gonna keep BGHA. Now I would recommend you to have 20 MHz megahertz for the channel width, just because like you can keep 40 or 20, or you can keep auto, but I would recommend 20 because 40 works with laptops, desktops, or the Wi-Fi receivers, but it won't be working with the smartphones or mobile phones. So I would recommend 20. Now as you can see, it's 28 dBm, so it's like the length of the ubiquiti nanostation. Its maximum area covered is 3 miles, so I do not have 3 miles, so I would just decrease it, maybe about 20. Yep, you can always have this strength, output power, increase and decrease. So now I would also tell you something, like if you keep the country code United States, or if you select in United States as a country of your when you select or log in, you can get the output power up to 28, or sometime like if you select different countries, so the power shall be 13, 12, depending upon the countries, right? So if you want maximum length, so you can select United States, which I got to know when I was setting up. Right now you need to keep your security, that's WPA2. I'm gonna keep my password, so you can keep your own password. Alright, so now I'm gonna change it. Now the main thing for the AP to be set up is you need to click on this icon. So you can see Air Max is enabled, so now you need to uncheck it. Okay, this is most important part to make an AP working. So after all these changes, we can just click on apply, and then it takes few seconds, almost 10 to 20 seconds, to set up all its new settings for the AP, and your AP is ready to use. So now you need to keep from the PoE, the power supply, LAN to the ISP so that it works. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe for more videos on AP repeaters and more. Thank you.